I really don't like the word bleach. Little old me wants to change the world. The language that we use behind the chair, I don't think the word bleaching sounds positive. So the global lightning service that us collectively are going to teach at Artel Salon is going to identify problem issues when maybe the roots are really dark and the midshaft and ends are really light. And how do we avoid overlap and maintaining our clients' healthy hair? The different tools that we can use between foiling, cotton, the types of lightener that are available to us on the market, and our efficiency in creating the systems around those services. If you want to attend virtually, click on the link. There'll be something there that you can click on.